Good morning, my beautiful friends. How are you today? Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today we are in a different space. We're actually downstairs in my home office. And I wanted to ask you a couple of questions about Wellness Wednesday. The first thing I want to ask you, what does this coffee cup right here make you feel like? Does it bring you hope, love, laughter, joy, anything? Just think about it. So think about the cup itself, the colors, the shapes, the patterns. Think about what's in the cup. Bring your nose up to it, smell it, whatever it takes. And what comes to mind when you think about the coffee cup? Okay. Now, what comes to mind when you think of books? What comes to mind when you think of journaling and a pen and paper? These are all components of taking care of your inner wellness, your mind, body, and soul. Whether you're bringing senses and descriptions and feelings in, whether you're reading and bringing in knowledge, whether you're creating a space that feels just like you with colors and flowers and vibrancy, all of these are a part of your personal wellness. So I have a personal challenge for you today for anybody listening to this. First of all, good morning. Okay, your personal challenge today is write a list of 10 values. Now, I wrote out my 10 this morning, and I am willing to share them with you. I'm just going to grab them from my book, my right book here, and I'm going to read them to you because this was a little bit of a challenge for me, but it came out in my cards and I wanted to share this with you. So writing out a list of the 10 things that you would say are part of your values. So, openness, honesty, living with intention, having a strong moral compass, integrity, supporting myself and others, that means a lot to me for my values, uplifting, being kind, leading the way, and living a life of trust. Those are my values. And yours can be different, and these should be different, but these values help you define your wellness journey. Being in alignment with these values will help you take the right step forward. So that's about it, my friends. I wanted to just have you think differently this morning. Go ahead, share your coffee cup, tell me what your 10 values are and what you liked most about today's share. Have a great day.